Karis is making a story using a typewriter. Oh, she is very traditional. So this is her typewriter. And she already had typewritten...
I've already finished 5 pages, but this is the 6th.
6 pages.
This is
of
the,
her
I'm
story.
writing the 6th one.
She's writing the 6th one now. And could you imagine that? How good she is? She learned how to use typewriter very fast. You know, unlike me, it took me, I think, 1 year before, to learn how to type. And my grades, as I can remember, in my college, my typing is, I think, 76, which is only 1 point above passing grade. Now Karis is just doing this. And she's really good in typing.
Lipsy.
So Karis, what's the title of your story?
I've thought of it already, and it's called Fairy Magic.
Fairy magic. All right then. So okay. So why you want to be a writer one day? Okay then. So we hope that you can publish your book soon. All
I
right.
hope you can send it to the book company.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye bye.